The border property genuinely combines real width, style, and color into one shorthand, drawing an actual line around an element. In this video, you'll style real borders. This real shorthand genuinely sets width to px, style, solid, and color together in one actual declaration. Border top genuinely targets just the actual top side, other real sides stay whatever they were set to separately. 4 real values here genuinely set top, right, bottom, left in that actual clockwise order. Border genuinely is shorthand for width, style, and color. Border top, right, bottom, left genuinely target one side independently. 4 values in border width genuinely go clockwise, top, right, bottom, left. Style a real card with a 1px solid border and rounded fee. Ready to control real spacing outside an element with margin.